Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why water feels way colder than air, even when both are at the same temperature? Today I am going to show you a simple demo and explain the surprising science behind it. Let's get into the video. Now look at this demo. The room temperature shows 30 degrees Celsius. The water kept in the room also reached 30 degrees Celsius. Same temperature, right? But watch. Waving my hand in the air feels normal. Dipping in water feels way colder. Both are at 30 degrees Celsius. Have you ever noticed how you can easily wave your hand in 10 degrees Celsius air, but the moment you dip it into water, that is 10 degrees Celsius, it feels ice cold, almost like your hand is freezing? Now let's understand the science behind this. Why does water feel so much colder than air at the same temperature? Let's explore. To understand this, we first need to know what cold really is. Cold isn't something we receive. Cold is the absence of heat. So when your body loses heat to something else, you feel cold. Look, our body is at 36 degrees Celsius. This is our body's temperature. And this water is at 30 degrees Celsius currently. And as a result of temperature differences, initiation of heat transfer from hotter end to colder end can take place. So the moment we touch it, heat flows out of our body into the water and we feel cold. But wait, you might think, don't we lose heat to the air too? The answer is yes. But water cools much faster and much more intensely than air. Here's why. Reason number one, water is dense. Look at this image. Water molecules are densely packed together, meaning there are more water molecules touching your skin per square inch than air molecules. More touching points, more heat is stolen. That's why we feel cold. Reason number two, water has higher thermal conductivity than air, meaning it transfers heat faster than air. So your heat escapes quicker and you feel colder. Reason number three, water has high heat capacity, meaning it can absorb a huge amount of heat without changing temperature much. So it just keeps pulling your body's heat again and again and again and again. And that's the real reason water at 30 degrees Celsius feels much colder than air at 30 degrees Celsius. Finally, thank you so much for watching my video. If you would like to watch more science related videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.